Fashion is something very personal to me.
So you were choosing lots of them, cancelling lots of designs.
Not have high hopes at all.
This dress is better or this dress is better, and you end up buying both of them.
मेरे कुछ certain requirements हैं
Premium or a luxury brand is not there in Jamshedpur.
कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं ले सकती हो.
Today we are with the young professional who loves fashion, and today we'll talk about fashion, how important is fashion in a professional world. We'll talk about how a girl in a B town can dream up to infinity. So today we are with Trisha ma'am. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you for having me.
So first of all, let me know what fashion mean to you.
Fashion is something very personal to me. It is like an armor that I don on every single day. It shows your culture, it shows your confidence, it perfectly portrays you as a person. It's how you present yourself to the world. So it's something very important, very intrinsic, very personal.
How in professional life is fashion important?
Oh, it's equally important, if not more. I mean, आप प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग में इट ओपन्स डोर्स फॉर यू, इट ओपन्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज. अगर आप 4 जन सेम इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं, उसमें से एक भी बहुत वेल ड्रेस्ड है, तो दैट पर्सन विल गेट सम एज एट लीस्ट. तो इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट in all aspects. I mean, you should always be presentable. Girls everywhere, always be presentable. Don't step out of the house not looking well. Always be well dressed.
Okay, market girls. It's golden words from Trisha ma'am. Okay, so I want to know that is there any confusion between this dress is better or this dress is better, and you end up buying both of them? Is there any time?
I end up buying both of them.
Okay, so
I'm not ashamed to admit it.
Most of the girls or anyone thinks that premium or a luxury brand is not there in Jamshedpur. We'll have to travel to Kolkata or Mumbai or anything. I don't think you think the same.
Not at all.
But for the most of the people who think like that, what do you want to tell them?
I would suggest that अपने शहर में देखें, बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड लोग हैं यहाँ पर. एक्चुअली बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड लोग हैं. You just need to discover those people. Because once I discovered Amira, my life was set. I did not need to go to places like Delhi or Mumbai or even Calcutta to buy my outfits. I mean, just you have to know the right places. और जमशेदपुर में कूट के टैलेंट भरा हुआ है, टैलेंटेड लोग हैं. प्लीज़ मतलब just do थोड़ा बहुत research about your own town. You will find designers who are really good.
I think better than
better than a lot of
yes.
mainstream brands, and you get those outfits at a much reasonable price. You don't have to spend lakhs on your dream lehenga or on your dream outfit.
Yes, ma'am. So I want to know how Amira entered your life, ma'am. Matlab, what was that day or anything you want to share? How Amira entered your life and how fashion for you changed, or the thing you wanted you got at Amira. How that the whole journey started?
I mean, I got introduced to Amira fashion studio by my mother. She had been visiting the boutique for quite some time, and I finally got the chance. She finally convinced me basically to कि मैं जाऊँ, देखूँ, एक बार try करूँ, and yeah, I mean, that was the first time, and I've not stopped going there ever since.
So I just want to know personally that what was your thinking before going to Amira about the dresses we get in Jamshedpur, and after going to Amira?
So I did not have high hopes at all.
Okay.
मेरे कुछ certain requirements हैं. I need the attire to be elegant. It needs to match my style.
Basically, no compromise with fashion.
Yeah, I don't compromise with fashion at all. So, I mean, I did not have high hopes at all whatsoever. But I was pleasantly surprised. It was actually an amazing experience. I did not think that I could find these kind of outfits, or a designer who shares my vision, or who जिसको मैं कुछ भी बता सकती हूँ and she would deliver. मतलब it's been an amazing experience.
Okay, so is there any story about your first outfit at Amira Fashion Studio you want to share with us?
I'd rather share about my favorite outfit. It is this beautiful white and green lehenga. And I was not happy with the blouse, but then I really appreciated the fact that Mrinal ma'am sat down with me, brainstormed for hours, and I would reject कि नहीं ये नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, वो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. I mean, this could be done this
so
way.
So you're too choosy. I'm getting that.
It's called not compromising and being a perfectionist.
Okay. No compromise in your own fashion, because you're presenting yourself to the world.
Exactly. I mean, that is the first impression. Anybody who's meeting you for the first time, this is the first impression that they get. So if you're well dressed, you automatically on a subconscious level, that person receives you in a very positive light. They are amenable towards you. They're ready to help you out. I mean,
okay, so what was that? How that finalized? So you were choosing lots of and cancelling lots of designs.
Yeah,
and then
but
what
then
happened?
She came up with an idea which totally blew my mind, and she perfectly executed it. I mean, when I wore it at my cousin's wedding, every single person was mesmerized. And you know how relatives are. I mean, they love taunting. They love, sneaking in snide remarks. So it was such a nice surprise that all of my relatives, almost all of my relatives were like, oh, where did you get this from? Is it from Mumbai? Is it from Delhi? And just pride के साथ मैं बोलती थी नहीं ये जमशेदपुर से लिया है मैंने. मतलब it was such an amazing experience watching their faces drop, the shock on their face कि oh my god, are you serious? जमशेदपुर में ये भी मिलता है, मुझे इससे और भी बहुत अच्छा मिलता है. I mean,
okay, so from that time you never stopped going to Amira, right?
I mean, yeah.
So how many dresses in total you have from Amira till now?
I'm not sure, a lot. I mean, I have a really fancy lehenga collection. I mean, to die for. People, all of my friends are jealous of my
Okay, do they ask for it
outfits.
for any occasion ki can you please?
Yeah, they do, but then size का problem आ जाता है तो फिर and honestly I'm happy about it because I don't want to share my lehengas. They're my jaan, my pride.
How does Amira match your personality, ma'am? Amira, how does this customize according to you or your thinking, or is there any time that happened?
I think Mrinal ma'am really gets my psyche. She knows exactly what I'm looking for. She knows what I would like before even I would consider it. I mean, now I trust her blindly. Even if I don't like a piece while looking at it, I trust that once I wear it, it's going to be amazing. वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ही. So now I blindly trust her.
Okay, so a girl living in B town, dreaming for their dream dress at their wedding or any family function, do you have any message for them?
Come to Amira. Amira has an amazing collection. I have pushed almost all of my friends to get their wedding outfits made from here or buy lehengas. I mean, anything, quad sets, lehengas. I mean, whatever you want.
Okay, so you wore Amira and you got lots and lots of compliments. I want to know 5 compliments, 5 best compliments you got. Okay, so number 1.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो. नेक्स्ट शादी कब कर रही हो?
Okay, so now number 2.
ये ब्लाउज कहाँ से सिलवाया? ये भी अमायरा का ही है. मतलब they're all on these lines basically.
Okay, so number 3.
I mean, they're all very grudging compliments. People don't actually want to compliment me, but they can't, resist from complimenting me because I'm looking way too good.
Okay, so do you share your pictures on social media, ma'am?
Not that much.
So Amira, how did your friends reacted to it? You told us about your family. Is there any friend that liked Amira?
All of them love Amira.
Okay.
They truly love Amira.
So any compliments from them, ma'am? Number 3. I'm so sorry. We want to hear it, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
यार उनके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स में बोल नहीं
Okay.
सकती हूँ.
Okay, thank you so
But
much
yeah,
who
मतलब
complimented
you're
Amira.
getting-
Okay, so how would you describe Amira to the person who don't know about Amira, specifically Amira or Mrinal ma'am?
Renal ma'am is someone who's extremely hardworking, and she will actually give you that time and energy. She will pour in all her energy to deliver whatever you want. And you don't get that in with big designers. You get that in these places where there's this personal touch. She personally would call me and ask me if I liked the outfits, what did my relatives say, if the function was successful or not. So एक वो personal touch आ जाता है with her. And I think the outfits speak for themselves. Her talent speaks for herself.
Yesterday I was
the
in studio. I think day before yesterday. You were there, and there was a dress you came to try.
Yes.
And Mrinal ma'am was standing there until you came out and showed her ki how is this looking, and she was just very happy to see you in that outfit. So is there any story about that outfit also? Why? Matlab, is there any special occasion you're getting that made for?
No, it was, I just randomly ordered a semi-stitched material online, and I just handed it to her, and she's like, it's semi-stitched, look at yourself. बहुत डांट पड़ी थी मुझे वैसे उस दिन कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं ले सकती हो. I will have to cut out this part, that part to make it fit you. But then she delivered. I mean, I was really happy with the dress. मतलब, that is the thing. Each time I wear one of her clothes, I do not want to take it off. I truly feel like a princess. I feel like I'm the queen. I own this world. You get automatically that confidence boost.
Okay, so last time we were on a shoot, I've heard that you liked the dress, and at the end you ended up buying that. So
I did.
that was very interesting. We were watching that you're like, यार मेरे को ये ले लेना चाहिए था, तो ये कहाँ था इतने दिन से. And then I came to Amira. I sat with ma'am and said how was the shoot, and we were discussing, and I said, ma'am liked that dress very much, and ma'am was like, she bought it. And I was, oh my god. So she is very consciously watching all the dresses, and very conscious about the fashion and the dress materials and the quality and the premiumness. That was exclusively very nice dress, by the way.
It was. I mean, it's just like I want it, I got it, and it was such a gorgeous lehenga. I mean, it was killing me on the inside to not have it.
So you ended up buying
I
that.
ended
So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us at today's podcast at Amira Fashion Studio. We got to know about the importance of fashion in your family functions, the importance of fashion in your professional life, importance of fashion to flex around your friends, and am I right?
Yeah, of course.
And how ma'am's journey started, and how is it going? How is it going, ma'am? In very short sentence, how is it going? How?
Not likely to stop anytime soon.
Okay, so what do you want to? This is our main frame. What do you tell? We are closing this interview right now, and we are ending up with a very nice compliment for Amira from Trisha ma'am. Okay, so hey, in 3, 2.
Wait, yeah. Let me
We are putting
think,
this laugh also. We are not cutting it out.
Let me think of a very nice compliment, because I feel like I've used up all my compliments already.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, Amira is actually a place where dreams come true. So please visit. Give it a look. I'm sure you would find what you're looking for.
Okay, so subscribe to Amira channel for more such videos, and thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today.
Thank you. It was my pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much.
Bye.